Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add Kindle to Amazon account. To add your Kindle device on your Amazon account is super easy. First of all, make sure that your Kindle device is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Whether you are using a Kindle device or your mobile device, turn on your Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a stable internet. Now, go ahead and open up your App Store and then search for Kindle in the search box. Once you find the application in the search result, tap on the Get or the Download button and download the application on your mobile device first. Once you do that, tap on the Open button to open up Kindle application. You will be taken to this Amazon Kindle sign-in page where you can sign into your existing account or create a new Amazon account to get started. If you don't have an Amazon account yet, tap on the Create Account option at the top and follow through the instructions. Provide your first and last name, an email address, and create a password for your account, and finally tap on Create Your Amazon Account at the bottom. If you already have an account, you can simply select the Sign In option and enter your email address or phone number associated with Amazon account. Once you type in your email or phone number, click on Continue. On the next page, it'll prompt you to enter your Amazon account's password. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions. After entering your password correct, click on Sign In. You will then be able to sign in to your Kindle. Right after you sign in with your Amazon account, you will be able to add Kindle to your Amazon. Now you have successfully added Kindle to your Amazon account. That is how simple and easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.